Hi, welcome back to Quad Mom Supreksha. Today we'll talk about power couple, what it means to be a power couple, what are the obstacles that can stop you from being a power couple. This topic is for husbands and wives who are in a long haul and who think there's no escape from it, and they say, so be it. Marriage is about giving space to each other, and also it's about equal partnership, according to me. Let me try to give you an example. Supposing you have a husband who lives on his own terms and conditions and does not consider your point of views too much. And why wouldn't he live on his terms and condition? He has lived that way all throughout his life. Now he gets married and his wife may not like everything he does. Likewise, wife may not like everything about the husband because of her own background, upbringing, etc. So she has her own reasons too. So what shall we do now? I read about a wife who actually divorced her husband because he could not stop snoring. I'm sure the wife must have told the husband about his snoring problem many times. The husband must have not cared about his wife's complaint because he thought, I've always snored. My mummy never had a problem with it. And the wife had a problem with his snoring problem because she must have not been able to sleep for nights. And plus, none of her own family members snored. That's why it's difficult for her. I think what the wife could have done instead of taking such a drastic step is she could have just picked up her pillow and blanket and slept in the next room. She could have told her husband until and unless he resolves this snoring problem, she is going to be sleeping in the other room. By doing this, she gave her husband a fair chance and the husband could take initiative and do something about his snoring problem. So now it's safe to say if your husband lives on his own terms and conditions, let him have it. You take yours too. You can do your own thing. But now your husband cannot show you double standards. If he can take it, then he has to give it too. Now that's equal. But do you think you are a power couple now? You're still not a power couple. To be a power couple, you have to first resolve all the issues. There shouldn't be dramas, frustrations between you and your husband. That's the first step, according to me, to be a power couple. And don't take so much time to resolve it because you want the maximum benefit from this partnership. And it can happen only if you don't lose your time on dramas. A woman is an overthinker. She feels too much than men. Now, there could be women who don't think and don't feel, and some men could feel too much and are overthinker. But I'm just talking in general. I personally have not seen a man who overthinks and feels overtly. Use your overthinking and overtly feeling into something positive. If your situation is difficult because your husband does not get you and doesn't want to bend a little, why don't you, as a wife, get the solution on the table? You very well have it in you. You can change things because you are a thinker and somebody who feels. Once you have changed the whole scenario in your marriage, it is possible for you to become a power couple. Now that you'll be on the same page. Remember, you did nothing to bend him. It's you who bent a little and decided if he wants it, let him have it, and I will have my own space too. You finally did not control him. Instead, you got control in your own life, and that could be a beautiful transition. According to me, power couples are those, number one, who understand what they are good at and use it to their advantage in any area they like. For example, during pandemic time, if you do not have a help, and if your husband cooks way better than you or has a professional touch or his hands are like magic, then after discussing with you, he can offer to cook. And if you are good with children and other household work, you can opt to take care of those things in your household. Number two, power couples don't drain each other out. For example, they are flexible with each other. Even if they have an issue, they will somehow resolve it and be at peace with each other. Number three, power couples don't take things personally. They don't project it on themselves. For example, the lady with a snoring husband took a small problem personally and ended up making it about herself, when in reality it was her husband's problem. As for me and my husband, we are at this resolving phase. We are yet to be a power couple. I hope we reach there soon and have amazing partnership and unleash the power of being power couple.
Jhol, how was the food and all भने कि अन्त I said you know what, the jhol was a little bit cold अन्त यो मैले खाएन भने नि त मैले कि अन्त भने this jhol is supposed to be cold अरे क्या okay, I didn't know about it, that's why I'm eating it भनेको नि मैले चाहिँ कि so there's a little bit of chit chat राम्रै भयो, but then it was quite weird eating all alone. I don't mind being alone कि तर अब अहिले चाहिँ अलिकति weird लाग्दो रहेछ हौ खानुहरू क्या एक्लै अन्त फुड वाइज अल्सो अब इट इज इन द्याट टप नच थिएन अब पुरा पोल्यो क्या पिरोले यति डरको पिरो हालेको थिएँ मैले आलुदम सेट हो के राम्रो थिएन आलुदम सो द पोटेटो चिज आलु वाज लिटल बिट बेटर अरू केही थिएन भएकै कुरा अन्त सो आजको दिन यसरी नै सक्यो इट्स अलरेडी 4:30 एन्ड आइम गोइङ इट्स वरदान मार्केट चाहिँ डिड आई कम इन द रङ प्लेस अर वाट लेट मी प्लान ओके आई एम इन वरदान मार्केट I am not going to go to the crowded place and I don't have my mask. I suddenly remembered after seeing some people without mask. Actually, I was vlog garदै थिएँ and suddenly this guy comes in and he starts saying कि are you Supreksha भनेर भन्नु थाल्यो कि त्यसरी कुरा गर्नु थाल्यो त्यहाँदेखि फेरि मलाई चाहिँ यस्तो हुन्छ कि यति डरलाग्दो एम्बारेसमेन्ट हुन्छ कि बिकज आई हार्डली रेकग्नाइज पिपल क्या त्यो आई हेभ फेस ब्लाइन्डनेस अर समथिङ लाइक द्याट क्या नामहरू याद हुन्छ बट देन फेसेस एन्ड अल मलाई थाहै हुँदैन त्यस्तो कुराहरू कि अब को अब मलाई पुरा अप्ठ्यारो लाग्यो एन्ड देन आई अपोलोजाइज गर्छु क्या आई रियली डोन्ट नो यु है आइ एम रियली सरी भनेँ मैले हो अन्त त्यहाँदेखि त्यसरी भने त्यहाँदेखि त्यसरी नै कन्भर्सेसन गर्नु थाल्यो त्यहाँदेखि हिँड्नु माई फ्यामिली हिँड्नु त्यस्तै हो अब स्मल टाउन स्मल प्लेस एभ्रिबडी नोज एभ्रिबडी है अनि आइ एम नट युजिङ माई माइक्रोफोन वाइ क्यान आई जस्ट कल दिस सम टाइम सो लाइक वी वर टकिङ अबाउट त्यस्तो हिज प्लान्स एन्ड अल एन्ड सर्टन इन्फर्मेसन आई अल्सो वान्टेड यु नो so we exchanged that information अनि त्यस्तो भयो अन्त I felt good because somebody from Sikkim handling the business in Sikkim house I mean what could be better than that you know अन्त त्यस्तो त्यहाँदेखि he has big plans he has good plans अन्त मलाई चाहिँ राम्रो लाग्यो fellow Sikkimese coming down here and doing a business it's really good so त्यस्तै हो अब हामी त के गर्नु सक्छ हामी त सपोर्ट गर्यो अर्कालाई बस्यो होइन सो यो दियो कि हामीलाई यस्तो जब तितौराहरू अघि खाइसकेँ मैले कि तितौरा वाइल एक्जिटिङ दे गिभ तितौरा एन्ड आई वाज थिङ्किङ ही गेभ मी दिस कि आई डोन्ट वान्ट कटलेरिज एन्ड अल प्लास्टिक कटलेरिज आई डोन्ट वान्ट भने नि त मैले कि नो दिस इज नट प्लास्टिक कटलेरिज दिस इज तितौरा अरे क्या भित्र तितौरा छ अरे अन्त सानोमा खान्थेँ नि अरे कि सानोमा त फेरि मलाई यादै छैन सानोमा यस्तो खाएको चाहिँ हो सो कालो मिठाई एन्ड अल आई रिमेम्बर अन्डा मिठाई आई रिमेम्बर सो आई डोन्ट नो अबाउट दिस सो यो चाहिँ म खान्छु नानीहरूलाई चाहिँ दिदिनँ हो त्यस्तो अन्त अनदर थिङ वाज आई एक्चुली वान्टेड टु ट्राई लाफिङ भन्ने चिज छ आई वान्टेड टु इट द्याट बट सिन्स दे डिन्ट ह्याभ इट सो आई ह्याड टु सेटल डाउन विथ हस्बेन्ड इज मेसेजिङ बिकज आइ एम हङ्ग्री आई स एन्ड ओन्ली पेस्ट्री वाट इज हि मेसेजिङ इज आस्किङ फर सम फुड आई थिङ्क टु अर्डर सम फुड ओ माई गॉश म चाहिँ निस्किसकेँ अनि त्यस्तो हो आई फेल गुड नाउ आइम गोइङ टु वक आइम गोइङ टु गो स्ट्रेट टुवर्ड्स द Kamak Street नाउ माई बिग डिलेमा इज विच साइड म चाहिँ घुम्दै बस्नु क्या है आई थिङ्क इज द नेक्स्ट गली इज माई ब्यान्ड यहाँ निस्कौँ भयो नि होला म के गर्नु what to do I just can't understand which way I'll go this side okay right it is त्यहाँबाट निस्केर नि फ्लाइओभर हुन्छ कि तर बोट रोड नि तपाईँले होइन 100% छ साइड सी नदी ओके न स्टक न त्यो कति बात चाहिँ नि आई मेट समबडी फ्रम सिक्किम द्याट टु अब चिन्नु त छैन कि तर बट स्टिल आई मेट समबडी फ्रम सिक्किम एन्ड आई स्पोक टु समबडी इन माई ल्याङ्ग्वेज है भनेर चाहिँ मलाई एकदमै खुसी लाग्यो अन्त म त झन् फेरि एक्साइटेड भएर क्या ओभर एक्साइटमेन्टमा कि त्यही कारण आई हेभ टु काम माई सेल्फ डाउन आई वुड गोइङ टु टेक हिज इन्टरभ्यू क्या फेरि ओभर डर लाग्दो इन्टरभ्यू कि अन्त सो आई जस्ट आस्क पर्मिसन मेरो ब्लग चलिरहेछ सो डु यु माइन्ड भनेर चाहिँ सोधेँ त्यहाँदेखि उसले नो आई डोन्ट माइन्ड भन्नु थाल्यो कि अन्त म चाहिँ अन्त हि वाज सेइङ लेट्स क्लिक फोटो भनेर क्या फोटो पनि खिच्यो कि अन्त त्यहाँदेखि अहिले सेन्ड यर ब्रदर हो के भन्दै थियो हो माई बिग ब्रदर उनीहरू चाहिँ साथी रहेछ फ्रेन्ड समथिङ लाइक द्याट सो आइम गोइङ टु सरप्राइज हिम विथ दिस फोटो भन्दै थियो कि अन्त ओके भन्यो हो त्यहाँदेखि सो what am I talking about? I'm talking about, so I got overtly excited and I was going to take his interview क्या अब इन्टरभ्यूमा बिकज हुन्छ नि अब हुनु त बेसी आई डोन्ट ह्याभ सब्सक्राइबर्स बट देयर आर लट अफ पिपल फ्रम क्यालकाटा अल्सो सो अब अलिकति उसको मार्केटिङ पनि हुन्छ भनेर नि जुन जति पनि सब्सक्रिप्सन छ मेरो तर्फबाट है द्याट्स माई सपोर्ट भनेर भन्न गर्नु आएको थिएँ कि तर अब मलाई चाहिँ फेरि हतार हुन्छ क्या हतार टु कम आउट एन्ड आइम थिङ्किङ अबाउट माई चिल्ड्रेन के गर्दै होला, प्याट्रिकले के गर्दैछ हो, त्यो सम्झिँदै ठिकै हुन्छ मेरो चाहिँ. अन्त सो आइम गोना सो यु माई ओल्ड वर्क प्लेस. आई थिङ्क सो यही लेनमा होला. आइम गोना सो द्याट अल्सो माई ओल्ड वर्क प्लेस. अन्त यहाँनिर आइपुग्यो प्यान्टुन्स एन्ड अल छ हो. आउ जया लुकास भन्ने पनि छ होला यहाँनिर. Pleasant. It's very pleasant right now. It's not too hot. Maybe I stayed in AC for a long time होला कि. अन्त now मलाई कस्तो लाग्छ भने शीतल टाइपको फिल भइरहेको छ. It's kind of शीतल. Why am I forgetting my mask? त्यो वाइटमा भए कति राम्रो हुन्थ्यो है. That building should have been in white.